Welcome. Today we're exploring a fantastic new update on Instagram that allows you to share stories directly in messages from your PC. This feature enhances how we connect with friends and makes sharing content even more convenient. Let's dive into the steps to enable this feature. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features seamlessly. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of your screen. This icon usually appears as three horizontal lines or dots, depending on your browser settings. Click on it to reveal additional options. Once you've clicked on the More icon, navigate to Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. After entering Settings, find and select the Sharing option. This section is crucial as it contains settings related to how you share content on Instagram. Now, here comes the important part. Look for the option that says Allow Stories in Messages. This setting enables your followers to share your stories directly through messages. Make sure this option is toggled on. By allowing this feature, you not only increase engagement, but also make it easier for your friends to spread your content. After you've enabled this setting, you're all set. Your stories can now be shared in messages, allowing for a more interactive experience among your followers. In summary, enabling story sharing in messages on Instagram from your PC is a straightforward process. Just open Instagram, click on the More icon, go to Settings, enter Sharing, and toggle on Allow Stories in Messages. This new update is a game changer for those who love sharing their moments with friends and family. So go ahead and try it out today. Happy sharing!